Hey everyone, welcome back to another Dirty Diggers video. In today's video, we're going to be grading and sodding this custom home. This custom home actually belongs to a family friend of mine, and we did the grading and sodding here in the spring of 2019. I never did get around to posting this video. Thought I'd go ahead and put this together as just a quick little video for you guys. It was actually the first time my buddy Jason was filming with his drone, so and at this time I actually didn't even have a GoPro, so I wasn't filming myself. He had brought his GoPro and his drone this day. Let me borrow his GoPro to do a quick time lapse that we're showing you here, and his drone to get all that drone footage. Hope you guys enjoy. This was just a lot of drone footage and time lapse of us basically doing some of the grading and sodding here. One clip I did get of us was filmed off of my phone, so please don't judge the quality of it. It is a little distorted looking, but I thought it'd be a nice little touch to add in all the people that were there that day. It was myself, Frank, Jason, and Lamar.
That's speed rolling. Nice. Frank, what's the most important part of outlaying sod?
Stagger.
Stagger? I like it.
Roll. Okay.
What about you, roller man?
What?
What about you, roller man?
What's the question?
What's the most important part when rolling sod?
Green side up.
When rolling the grass?
Oh, and rolling sod. Well, now this is a cut.
No, what's the most important part?
Get every line.
Okay. And you?
Water, obviously, right?
Water, there we go. Together, we unite.
Green side up.
Well guys, here's a quick before and after of the house. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please give it a like, subscribe if you're new, and as always, thank you for watching.